Heidi, what's in the stocking?
What's in the stocking?
Is that presents?
Did Santa Claus come? What? What is it? Is she kidding me?
What's in there?
Heidi, what's in there?
Speak. Speak. Is that your stocking?
What is that, Heidi?
She's going to pull it right
I know
there.
she is. Hey, what's in there, Heidi?
You want to give her one of the bowls that are in there? Cokes? You want to go upstairs? We'll go night-night?
Come on.
Those aren't yours.
Presents. Come on. Come on. Come on.
We can
Come
open
on.
it in two more days. We're going to open
You're gonna have
it.
to get the gate if you go out tomorrow. She knows it's there.
No, we'll give her a bowl. Come on.
Come on.
Aw, she wants it. Come on, Poo-Poos. That's not yours
That's
either.
not yours either.
You want to go upstairs?
What? What? What?
What do you want?
What do you want? What?
Want to go upstairs? Come on.
Come on. Let's go night-night. Let's go night-night.
She keeps looking at it. Tomorrow's another day.